Hi, Tim Goggin here for RingtoneStudio for iPhone, and I'm going to showcase the volume control features of RingtoneStudio for iPhone. I've just highlighted and dragged and dropped the music file that I want to use as a ringtone, and I'm going to increase its volume. All I do is increase the slider just a little bit, and just when I'm done with that, I click Apply, and it is adjusting the volume, and I will be able to test it out in a minute and see if I like what I've done. Going to press play, and as you can hear, the volume has increased. And I'm going to click Create to create the ringtone, and it is doing it right now as we're speaking. And it's successful. I'm going to scroll up to the ringtones folder in iTunes, and it's there, so we can just hear what we just created. Of course, once the ringtone is in the ringtones folder, the next time you sync your iPhone, it will automatically sync those ringtones to your iPhone, and then you can set them to the contacts of your choice.